Good morning, my little kittens. So now that you know all you need to know for doing a makeup, you will need more practice because practice is the mother of learning. But you still need an element that you will find today here. We have a series on our channel in which I show you how makeup looked and how it was made from 1920 to 2022. But it's important to focus on what you like, but you have to go on with trends too, because you wouldn't like to have those 1920s eyebrows now. So today I will show you my skills on how to make a cool 2022 makeup with simple steps and with those tips and skills you learn from me. So a simple and an elegant look. Let's go! So first I'm going to start off with the face cream because hydration is super important. I have natural skin type, but we still need to hydrate before we do a makeup because this will make the perfect base for that foundation. Now I'm going with this foundation from Maybelline and I will put it everywhere. This is one of my favorite foundations because I just grow up with this. I don't know. I'm using this for so long. Now we're blending this with the face brush, circular motions, and now look how beautiful this foundation looks on this face cream. It's just lathering up so beautifully. Blending. Just dabbing this on my face. Now I will take some brow soap. Don't forget to water this before using it. And now I'm taking the product on my brows and I try to lift them up as much as I can. I'm taking my brush, I will take some product and I will take it in this part of my face and a little bit here too. And I also take it a little bit on my nose because I want to have that bronze look on my nose, like that sun-kissed. Now I will take some highlighter on this beautiful brush. This is my favorite highlighter ever. Just look how beautiful this looks. I can't get enough highlighter on my face. This part too. I will put some here too. And also here, inner corners. I will take it a little bit inner. Now I will take this shade on my brush. Hope you can see that. And I'm gonna diffuse this in my crease. Always keep your brush from here, not from here, because if you are keeping it from here, you will have more tension of it. So keep it from here because you will have like a lighter hand when you are applying your eyeshadow, and it's a game changer. Now I will take the bigger one. I'm gonna diffuse that shadow here because I just want like a smoky effect. Now we'll do this eye. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shade and I'm gonna put it right here in the center. Now that we have that, I'm gonna take some of this eyeshadow again, the same exact eyeshadow that we put on top, and I'm gonna diffuse that line a little bit more, and I'm gonna do that thing again here. Now we're going to take a black pencil and I'm gonna line my waterline. And this part. Now I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna use some mascara. Oh no. Now we're gonna stick some falsies. I know that sticking your falsies will sound like the first enemy that you will have when you will do makeup, but practice is learning. I practiced so much till I was able to stick them on my eyes and not have like those strange inner corners. So now we're going to do the lips, and I will use this. This is my favorite thing to use on my lips, so oh, so satisfying. Never gets old. Let's put some foundation back. Let's line my lips now. Sorry, neighbors are not, are never sleeping. These neighbors. Okay, now we'll use this. This is actually a lipstick from Primark, but it's one of my favorite ones. Now we will add a little bit of gloss from Essence. And now we're done. So guys, this is the result, and with this result, this mini series is gone now. This mini makeup course that we did, I liked it. I honestly like it, and I'm so happy that we did this, because I feel like with this I can help some girls out there that are just starting off, and maybe they will just embrace those tips that I gave to them. And it's pro bono, so you don't need to pay for it. So who doesn't like free things, right? So if you learned something from me, don't forget to please tell me in the comments, what did you learn? What was your favorite part of this course? And I don't know, which was your favorite moment of this course, because I'm curious. And let me know in the comments if you would like some series of this type. I don't know, maybe like a more specific makeup course in the future. I don't know. Just tell me what you want and I will do them. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her course, and now we are looking fabulous. If you liked what we did in this mini series, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later, and Glammedblondie is on, so I'm going to find my get.